Greetings, everybody. This is Domingo with you today. Hope you're doing fantastic, and welcome to Money Making Madness. That's right. You thought it was going to be on a Monday, but I'm not going to do it on a Monday because this was too good to pass up. So today we're going to be talking about Rumble. Now, what is Rumble, you may ask? It is a social media battleground. So as you can see here, we got videos from all kinds of creators. So you can either swipe left to say no thanks, or you can also swipe right to allow this video to be in the Rumble. So that is what you do to earn tickets, and those tickets can allow you to earn up to $50 in cash or more. So you just have to keep going with it, and you can just keep rumbling away or swiping left, sort of like Tinder. This is sort of like Tinder in a sense, where you just swipe left or swipe right if you like it. So we're going to do a lot of swipe lefts here. So you can also invite your friends through WhatsApp, and you can also send them links, and you can earn up to a lot of tickets. So those are your referrals, and then you can also get commission with your tickets. So I'll include my referral link in the description below here, so you can get a referral on the app. And it's actually really easy to use, this app. So we're just gonna go here. This is your main Rumble page where you have your tickets on the top, and then this is your profile here where it shows your Rumbles, your followers, your following, and then you can also search for videos, set your profile settings, how it works, referrals, community, and then you can log out. So what we're going to do is we're just going to go to the winners here, and then it shows here a list of winners for the day, and then you can go up to like $50 prizes, $25 prizes, and $10 prizes. So the minimum amount that you can cash out for Rumble is $50. So a lot of people are aiming for that first place prize. And you can go to show all, and then it shows all the video winners here. So the highest you can win is up to $50, and then the lowest you can win is about $5. And then you can also use the tickets to draw for cash prizes, and the cash prizes that you can earn is up to $5 cash. And then you can let those $5 grow, $5 grow, so that's 5 and 5, that's $10 right there. And all you have to do is you can also post your own videos. You can just keep voting for others so that you can get Rumbles, but you have to wait at least 4 seconds in order to swipe so that they don't want you to cheat. And as you can see, we're watching a video here. Oh, look, it's a turtle. So you can go nope, and then you can also vote Rumble, so you can give them Rumbles. That's how you want. And that's how you mainly earn tickets. And the more tickets you earn, the more money that you can get. Now, as you can see here, I have earned $5 so far in total, and I've uploaded 4 videos, approved videos, approval percentage, and then it shows your CPM here. But when you go to cash out, it says the minimum amount to cash out is $50. And then there's YouTube earnings, third-party earnings, Rumble earnings, and total. And then you can go to my videos here, and then it shows all my videos, and these were videos that were in the Rumble battles. So for this video, I earned about 24 Rumbles. And then for this video, I earned about 29 Rumbles. And then for this one, I've got 8 Rumbles so far. So this one, I don't have any Rumbles on it yet, but I will once they go through their quality check. So the thing is, you have to make sure that your video is not copyrighted. It's not anybody else's video that you're uploading, that it's your own original content. And if it gets Rumbles, great. And if it doesn't, then you just keep trying. That's the beauty of it. And then you just go to camera, and then it goes to the Rumble camera, which is a separate app. And you can just upload a video, or here, let me show you something here. We're just going to press camera again. And then to access your camera roll, you press down, swipe the circle up, and then you can go Rumbles, and then you can go to your camera roll to look at your videos on your camera roll, and then you can upload something. So we're just going to upload this one, and this is an impression video that I did.
You're garbage. Who kills for money?
So that is a video that I've done on Byte, which we're going to upload to Rumble. So we got video management here, battle eligible. So we're going to go, you have not signed an exclusive agreement with other parties, and you accept the terms of service, yada, yada. And then you name the title, The Batman. So I do a Batman impression here. Batman calls, let's just go, calls out coronavirus. So let's just say that's what it is. Then you can select the thumbnail, or you can select something from your gallery here, which is your list of photos here. We're not going to do that. We're just going to change the thumbnail. And then you can also tag it, such as funny, comedy, impressions. So you can use all sorts of tags here. And then you can put in additional info, me, where, USA, and then you can also add your YouTube account name so that you can get your presence known. Well, that's not iWow, it's iWay. So there it is there. And then you just make sure that your description is at least 5 words. You have to make sure your description is at least 5 words. And then you can go to upload. And then it shows your status on the top here where it's uploading a video. And then once your video is uploaded, it will say uploaded successfully. And then it will go through the process of approving it. So that's generally the gist of Rumble. You compete with your videos, and then you can vote for your favorite videos, and you can also follow other accounts too if you like their Rumbles. So I've seen this guy a lot, Viral Hog, so I'm just doing a lot of nopes here. But yeah, this is generally one way that you can make money. It is not guaranteed because you have to have a really good video and a really good presence on social media to make money on here. But this is a way that you can make money. Like, I've made $5. I just can't cash it out yet. I need to make $45 more. So it's with the luck of the draw, it's with the tickets, it's just however it sees it. And they pay you through PayPal. So you can use your PayPal or Payoneer, and you can do that. And the tickets here, you can get referrals. So you can also link down on the description below and click on the referral link to download your Rumble app today. And I look forward to seeing how you think about this. You leave a comment below, and if you have any questions, I'll be more than happy to answer them. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time for another video. Take care.